Hi guys, I'm Anjisha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this diaper pad, which I made it for my baby, and now she's a toddler, so I'm still using it, and it's very useful and it's very functional. See, doesn't it look very cute? And here I have used this Ziploc pad where we can put some diapers and wipes, etc. So this diaper pad is very useful, especially whenever we have to use the restroom for the baby at airport or while shopping safely. So let me show you how I made this one.